This is an explanation of the application plan of Box Optronics Tech SEDFA in communication systems. The use of fiber optic communication to transmit optical signals is usually limited by two aspects, namely optical loss and dispersion, resulting in shorter transmission distances without relays in the fiber. The successful development of air-doped fiber amplifier, EDFA, breaks the limitations of fiber optic communication transmission distance, extending the distance of all optical communication to several thousand kilometers, bringing revolutionary changes to the fiber optic communication industry. Box Optronics Tech can customize fiber amplifier solution components, 980 nanometers pump lasers, fiber isolators, 980/1550 nm wavelength division multiplexers, narrowband filters, photodetectors, etc., as well as various models and specifications of erbium-doped fiber amplifiers, widely used in fields such as fiber communication, fiber sensing, scientific research, etc. The copyright of this video ultimately comes from Box Optronics Tech.